nobody thought that Ukraine had quietly developed its own answer to deep strike operations. This is the Flamingo FP5, a long-range cruise missile built to strike strategic targets deep within enemy territory, entirely on Ukraine's own terms. The interesting fact is that it can fly 3,000 kilometers with a massive 1-ton explosive warhead. To put that in perspective, the American Tomahawk carries only a 450-kilogram warhead. The Flamingo is simply heavier and more destructive than almost any other cruise missile in its class. In this video, we explain how this cruise missile works and why its design is so unique. You are watching the Let's Grow Up YouTube channel. If you appreciate our work, please share a big thumb. The FP5 Flamingo is a massive, ground-launched cruise missile measuring between 12 and 14 meters in length with a 6-meter wingspan. Its airframe is a marvel of modern, cost-effective engineering, constructed primarily from radar-transparent fiberglass and carbon fiber to reduce its radar signature. At the very front of the missile sits the pitot tube, used to measure airspeed. Behind it, the nose section houses the brain of the Flamingo, a sophisticated suite of GPS, GNSS, and inertial navigation systems designed to guide the missile deep into enemy territory with high precision. Occupying the forward middle section is the heart of the weapon, a staggering 1,150 kilograms or 2,540 pounds warhead. This massive payload allows the Flamingo to function as a bunker buster, capable of destroying hardened military infrastructure that smaller missiles simply cannot touch. The center of the fuselage contains 2 large fuel tanks that provide the range necessary for long-duration missions. Unlike most Western missiles that hide their engines inside the body, the Flamingo uses a unique top-mounted AI-25TL turbofan engine. It provides a cruise speed of 850 to 900 kilometers per hour and allows the missile to stay airborne for up to 3.5 hours. At the rear, the missile features X-form control surfaces that are used to maneuver it during flight. The Flamingo has a total launch weight of 6,000 kilograms, roughly 4 times heavier than an American Tomahawk, so it requires a powerful, solid fuel booster rocket. This missile is launched from an inclined rail, accelerating the 6-ton frame to hundreds of kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Once the missile reaches a specific speed and altitude, the booster has finished its job. The empty booster rocket falls away to reduce weight. At this moment, the AI-25TL turbofan engine on top of the missile ignites, using the air forced into its intake by the missile's forward motion. The jet engine takes over as the primary source of thrust. The internal brain GPS, GNSS, constantly checks its position. If the GPS signal is jammed, the inertial navigation system uses internal sensors to keep the missile on course, climbing slightly and then diving at a steep angle toward the target. Just imagine the force, a 900 kilometers per hour approach speed combined with a massive 1,150 kilograms warhead. When the Flamingo falls onto its target, it uses that immense kinetic energy to penetrate deep into reinforced concrete structures. This ensures the explosion happens inside the building or bunker, causing total destruction. The Flamingo FP5 is a game-changer in modern engineering, a low-cost, high-power solution to long-range strikes. But what do you think? Does this scavenger engineering approach represent the future of defense technology, or is its massive size a disadvantage? Share your thoughts and comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Let's Grow Up. Never stop learning.